Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are just going to talk about why Forex trading tends to be harder than many people actually expect. By the way, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. See the links in the description box below if you want to download free Forex robots, indicators, trading systems and trading books. Now, trading the Forex market tends to be hard because it is the most liquid market in the world. Millions of traders and millions more people and entities are always active in it every day. Yes, you might not be a Forex trader, but when you exchange your dollars or rands for pounds because you are going on holiday to the UK, you are trading Forex. When a company gets rands in exchange of the dollars that it received from its buyers in America, it is conducting Forex trading. Governments, politics, the weather, public health, corporate expansion or bankruptcy, the prices of foodstuff, basically everything influences prices in the Forex market. Then there are big players in the market like big banks and hedge funds that are so huge that they can generate large price movements on their own. These guys can trade several hundred millions of dollars every trading session. Now there is the little fish, the retail traders, with our $100 or $1,000 trading accounts. It often happens like this. You have initiated a Forex trade, which after several hours of hard work, is proceeding in your intended direction as planned. You decide to take a break and maybe even brag to your partner about your latest success. After 10 minutes or so, you return to your trading station only to discover that a massive reversal has occurred, completely obliterating your position, including any potential profit. This type of event can frequently happen with no prior warning of any sort. This is why Forex tends to be hard. In Forex, the best chance you have to survive long enough to make any profit or grow your trading account is by carefully managing your risk to ensure you don't get wiped out. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comments section below. See you in the next video.